Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today we've got for sale. This is a Suzuki GSXR750L5, finished off in the old Moto GP graphics. This one's a 2014 on a 64 plate. It's done 4,982 miles. A couple of cheeky extras on this one. It's got the Yoshimura pack on it, so you've got the top yoke, you've got the bar ends on there as well. Got the protection on the engine. I don't know if the cameraman can just see them. So you've got all the protection there. Also the Yoshimura R11 exhaust. Sounds absolutely wicked. And finish it off with the old tail tidy. Give it a quick turn on just so you can see. 4,982 miles. If I'll pick it up and give it a start up. They always sound fruity, these. Power modes as well, what more do you need? Anyway guys, you've seen this treasure. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.